Welcome back, boys and girls. Well, one of today's projects is repairing damage that was done during the last hailstorm. As you can see, I have a broken light bulb in my security light. Well, I'm sure you've heard the old take a potato, cut the end off, jam it in there to remove a broken bulb. Well, that is generally in a normal house type fixture. Sorry about the sun. As you can see, that light bulb is way up in there. So we're going to try something different. Rubber heater hose. We're going to thread it over. We're going to push straight up in. And we're going to turn. And if we're lucky, that will come loose. And we were lucky. It wasn't too tight. That simple. Thanks for watching, guys.